kaseng jong Nonghikai School SSA kabadon hadu kharaja sanspa sa huingut Nonghikai kalapen pau ka jingsngo lingo ka bakrau ya ka jingle ka Tnad Pla Tyngka ni ka finance department jong sarkar jila ka blabat sa ya pisa blaplat ya sarkar India jin hadu sanpinyo Klur Tyngka kabadai balamang kerpang ya Tulop Nonghikai SSA kani kalong katkum ka jingit ho president ka MSSA SA uba Aristotle rembai lembaga video bola pha sekilat pathai khubor
The Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body, we express our concern to the act of the Education Department and Finance Department of Government of Meghalaya for non-release of fund of second installment of Government of India share to the State Education Mission Authority Meghalaya, which is a state implementation society who run the SSA program in the state, which result to non-payment of salary to 12,541 SSA teachers in the state for the month of January and February for financial year 2020-21. As per information from reliable sources, we came to learn that the Ministry of Education, Government of India, have transferred the fund of second installment of Government of India share to the state of Meghalaya before 31st March this year. But what make the association surprised till today, this fund is still lying with the State Finance Department. Even from the State Project Director Office, Sir Ambrose Marak, on 31st March this year, he have issued a sanction order to all the 11 districts in the state with an instruction to pay the salary of the 12,541 SSA teachers for the month of January and February this year without any delay. But what make the association surprised that till today the district have not received the fund either from the CIMAM or from the state government. When we inquired on this from the State Project Director Office, we came to learn that the delay of the CIMAM to transfer the fund to all the 11 districts is due to the fact that the fund is still lying with the State Finance Department. Therefore, we from the association, we condemn this act of the Education Department and also the Finance Department, and at the same time, we demand from the state government that the fund should be released within this week. If the government fail to do so, we from the association, we may resort to a democratic movement as a sign of protest against the abandonment of the state government.